Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is PageFly Affiliate Program. Today we are diving into the PageFly Affiliate Program. So if you are looking to earn commissions while promoting a top tier page builder, stay tuned as we discuss the PageFly. So guys, what is PageFly? So PageFly is an advanced page builder for Shopify that lets you create a stunning, responsive online stores with a simple drag and drop interface, and it's user friendly and doesn't require any coding skills. So guys, what is the feature of PageFly? So first one is customizable designs. So it tailor every detail with custom HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And next up is responsive templates. So it works seamlessly on laptops, tablet, and mobile device. And next up is comprehensive tracking. So it utilizes the PageFly Analytics, Google Analytics, and Facebook Pixel to track your store performance. And next up is 24/7 support, which you can get help anytime with live chat support in multiple languages. And lastly, it has extensive library, which you can access over 60 templates and integrate with numerous third-party apps. So now, let's discuss the affiliate program benefits. So first one is earn commissions. So guys, you can get paid for every sale made through your referral links. And next up is flexible promotion, which you can share PageFly benefits through a blog post, YouTube reviews, or other social media platform. And next up is easy registration, so you can sign up on the PageFly affiliate page and you're ready to start earning. So in order for you to join the PageFly affiliate program, just simply visit the PageFly affiliate program page, and after that, just simply fill out the registration form and schedule a demo call if needed. And once you are approved, guys, you will receive your unique referral link and marketing materials. And from there, you'll be able to earn. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.